Hi everyone, Diana Alt here for another episode of Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to talk about what you need to convey when you're trying to project a certain level of leadership or management responsibility on your resume. So here's a quick cheat sheet for you. If you are a person that is seeking a role as a team lead or frontline manager, so you're trying to get a job in a new company that's a lateral change, you're trying to get promoted up into management for your first time, you need to convey your ability to manage down. So to have a project or a team of people that is assigned to you and that you led successfully to complete their mission. That is your primary thing at team lead and manager level. When you're looking to move up into more of a director type role, and in some places the VP type role, your language needs to shift and the accomplishments you highlight need to shift. At that point, you need to be showing that, yes, in addition to having a team working under you that can get stuff done, you have great capability to manage sideways, very cross-functional roles, where you worked with other peer leaders that have teams under them, and also a little bit upwards. So into the SVP level, potentially into the C-suite level, depending exactly where you're trying to go. Finally, when you are at more of that top layer, the SVP layer, the C-suite layer, what you want to message is more about impact to the overall organization and how you can influence groups like the board of directors and the cabinet of the company. So next time you're working on your resume, especially if you feel like you're applying for jobs and you are not getting called about that level of seniority you feel like you deserve, make sure that your resume speaks to that right level of leadership. That's it for Tip Tuesday. I look forward to seeing you next time.